Google Maps, a tool most of us use daily to navigate, find restaurants, or even plan vacations. But what if I told you that Google Maps is not just a navigation tool? It's also a goldmine for making money. Intrigued? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the ways you can earn real money using Google Maps. Let's get started. Now, before we get into the details, let's talk about why Google Maps is such a powerful platform. Did you know that over 1 billion people use Google Maps every month? That's massive. And behind every business listed on Google Maps, there's a potential income opportunity waiting for you. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to make this work. All you need is your smartphone or laptop, some creativity, and a bit of hustle. The first method to make money using Google Maps is by becoming a Google Local Guide. Local guides are everyday people who contribute reviews, photos, and updates to Google Maps. But here's the twist. While Google doesn't directly pay local guides, you can monetize your contributions indirectly. Let me explain how. When you provide detailed reviews and high-quality photos of local businesses, you're helping those businesses attract more customers. Over time, you can build a portfolio of your work and offer your services to local businesses as a professional reviewer or content creator for their profiles. Think of it as a stepping stone to becoming a freelance marketer or photographer. And here's the kicker. Businesses are willing to pay good money for great reviews, stunning photos, or even video tours of their locations. Some companies pay anywhere from $50 to $500 for this kind of content. Next up, let's talk about a lesser-known way to earn: updating incorrect information on Google Maps for businesses. Did you know that many businesses have outdated or inaccurate information on their Google Maps listings? This includes incorrect addresses, old phone numbers, or outdated business hours. You can reach out to these businesses and offer to fix their listings. This service is incredibly valuable because having accurate information is critical for a business's success. In return, you can charge a service fee. Depending on the scope of work, you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per project. One of the most profitable ways to use Google Maps is for lead generation. Here's how it works. Google Maps is a treasure trove of business contacts. Let's say you're helping a local marketing agency find potential clients. You can use Google Maps to locate businesses in a specific area that need marketing services. Simply type in a category like restaurants near me, and Google Maps will show you dozens, if not hundreds, of potential leads. Look for businesses with poorly optimized profiles, no reviews, or outdated photos. These are your prime targets. You can compile a list of these businesses, reach out to them, and offer your services. Or sell the list to marketing agencies that specialize in helping small businesses grow. Agencies often pay top dollar for high-quality leads, and you can charge per lead or per list. Now let's move on to affiliate marketing. This method is perfect if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. Here's the idea. Use Google Maps to find popular tourist destinations, restaurants, or local attractions. Then create content around those places and include affiliate links. For example, you can review a hotel or a tourist spot and include an affiliate link to a booking platform like Booking.com or Airbnb. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a booking, you earn a commission. It's a simple yet effective way to generate passive income. Another lucrative method is offering SEO services for Google Maps listings, also known as Google My Business, GMB optimization. Many businesses struggle to rank high on Google Maps, which means fewer customers find them. This is where you come in. With some basic SEO knowledge, you can help businesses improve their rankings by optimizing their profiles. This includes adding keywords, uploading high-quality images, responding to reviews, and more. Businesses are willing to pay $500 to $2,000 monthly for these services, especially in competitive industries like real estate, law, or healthcare. Finally, let's not forget the simplest way to use Google Maps to make money: by working as a delivery driver or rideshare driver. Apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Postmates heavily rely on Google Maps for navigation. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle, this is a great option. While it's not passive income, it's a reliable way to make money with the help of Google Maps. Here's a bonus tip. Create a YouTube channel or blog focused on Google Maps. You can share tips, tricks, and tutorials, like how to find hidden gems in a city or optimize business profiles. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Some creators in this niche are earning thousands of dollars per month just by sharing their knowledge and expertise. So, there you have it, 6 proven ways to make money using Google Maps. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or just someone looking for a side hustle, there's a method here for everyone. 1. Become a Google local guide. 2. Update incorrect business information. 3. Generate leads for businesses. 4. Use affiliate marketing. 5. Offer SEO services for Google Maps listings. 6. Work as a delivery or rideshare driver. Now, it's your turn. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.